Have you ever wondered what OCD sounds like? Maybe you've had thoughts that just won't go away, and you're not sure if they're OCD or just normal worries. Today, we're exploring what OCD actually sounds like. It starts with a whisper in your mind. Am I going crazy? Then, another thought creeps in. What if I am bad? Before you know it, you're saying, I can't think about anything else. It consumes you. It's not just a thought, it's a storm in your mind. What if I harm someone? What if something bad happens? These thoughts, these fears, they're not who you are. They're the voice of OCD. And while it may feel overwhelming, you're not alone. Remember, OCD doesn't define you. You have the power to take control, and we're here to help. If you're struggling with these intrusive thoughts, know that help is available. You can take the first step and book a trial therapy session with us today at OCDMantra.com.